Hey, what's up? It's BadMad and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for being here. If you're new, my name is BadMad. I am a photographer, videographer, makeup artist, actress, fitness fanatic, and now permanent makeup artist. And here on my channel, I am committed to creating a network of baddies. If you're not a part of the baddie squad, I want you to hit that subscribe button today and join the squad. Introduce yourself below. Happy fall, everyone. October is one of my favorite months. I'm super excited for my videos that I have planned for this month, so stay tuned for those. Today, we are going over how to achieve the perfect fall look. Fall looks to me involve smoky eyes, winged liner, obviously, and a dark red or mauve lip. I saw that Too Faced had come out with their latest holiday collection. This is the Pumpkin Spice palette. Look at these colors. When I saw those purples in there, I was like, oh, I need this palette in my life. If you'd like to see how I achieved this fall look, continue watching. The palette! I am so excited for this. You can never go wrong with one of their palettes. I absolutely love their pigments. 18 shades. I'm gonna zoom you guys in. My eyes have been primed with Tarte Shape Tape, so we can go ahead and get started. Pumpkin Spice is what I am going in with first. Look how pigmented that is. Yes, honey, fall vibes. I love it. Creating a halo effect. I want this transition shade to encompass my entire eye. So I'm leaving just a little bit of lid here, but I'm starting from my tear duct all the way out. Beautiful. Same thing over here. Start in the outer corner. Windshield wiper motion all the way to that inner corner. And just leave a little bit of your lid sparse. Guys, that is one shade. This is why I love Too Faced. Their palettes never fail me. Just to add to the fall drama, I am going to go in with Ginger Spice next, directly under Pumpkin Spice. So we still get a little bit of Pumpkin Spice peeking through, but we are deepening that area up. And I'm not extending this to my inner corner. I'm keeping it right along the outer corner. Going in with Spice of Life next, which is a really mauve-y color. I'm just gonna take this on the outer corner. Gorgeous. I love that. See how it adds just a little bit of drama? And these shades layer so nicely. Next, I'm going to go in with one of the glitters. And I'm just going to pop this right here. Liner is on. We are now going to go in with my favorite lashes. The Ardell Wispies. These are my absolute favorite drugstore lashes. I'm gonna go ahead and put these on. I have tight lined my entire eye with Spice of Life. Lashes are on. Lash Accelerator by Rimmel. Perfect. Okay, so for lips, I am going to line with the Milani lip pencil in Spice. This is a recommendation from my girl Michaela. Michaela, thank you so much. This is like her favorite pencil and I'm using it for the first time today, so let's see how it looks. It always looks amazing on her. Also going in with the Milani Amore lip stain. Just a really pretty mauve-y fall color. I love it. Setting with my new fave setting spray. And that is that. Happy fall, everyone. I'm so excited to be into the month of October. I highly recommend picking up the Pumpkin Spice Too Faced palette. It performs amazing. I hope you baddies are ready for all of my fall content coming up. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you baddies next time.